I'm Ashley Stevens, covering your community in San Luis Obispo on Cal Poly's campus, where the group Men and Masculinities are mentioned in a federal civil rights complaint made on Tuesday by the civil rights group, the Equality Protection Program. The foundation, based out of Rhode Island, filed the complaint against 8 Cal State universities to the U.S. Department of Education. The complaint filed for CSU's Young Males of Color Consortium and the Men of Color programs that operate on 23 CSU campuses. The Equal Protection Project is led by Cornell law professor William Jacobson.
We're calling for Cal State to change this program, that to find a better way to help people who might be underperforming as a group, but you've got to do it in a way that's not exclusionary.
Cal Poly's San Luis Obispo campus's Men and Masculinities program is one of those programs Jacobson says does not include white students or female students. I reached out to Amy Bentley Smith, Director of Public Affairs for the Cal State University system, and she said the CSU has and continues to operate programs to meet the unique needs of our diverse student demographic. And we are confident that our programs fall within the legal guidelines outlined by the U.S. Department of Education. Bentley Smith also pointed out the U.S. Department of Education permits race-themed school programming as long as the programs offered are open to all students regardless of race. I reached out to a representative with Cal Poly's program Men and Masculinities and haven't received a response, but according to their website, it claims to provide a supportive, inclusive, and empowering space for men and people who experience diverse and intersectional expressions of masculinity, and aim to foster a community where discussions, partnerships, and events relating to masculinity can take place openly and constructively. I also reached out to Cal Poly's San Luis Obispo for comment, and they told me they were not aware of any complaint. The Department of Education must now decide whether or not to open up an investigation should the complaint not be resolved before then. In San Luis Obispo, Ashley Stevens, KSBY News.